What's up, guys? Michael's Investing here, and today I'm talking about how to invest without investing in the stock market. So that might seem, again, confusing, or I don't know exactly how that works because all you do is talk about the stock market. Well, I'm trying to expand and talk about different things, and so today I'm talking about how to invest without even needing to put a dime in the stock market. So first off, precious metals are a great example. So you can even buy these before you're 18. You can invest in these when you're like 10. You could invest in a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver, a little bit of whatever. So all of the iPhones and other computers use gold because it's so important in how semiconductors work. It goes fast, but it doesn't degrade. And as a result, gold has increased in value, but it's also held a certain amount of value for thousands of years just by virtue of its rarity. So that would be precious metals, and then also like diamonds or jewels or something like that would also fall under this category of things that can appreciate over time, that you can store on your own, you physically possess, and they're actually yours versus a number or a ticker symbol. Also, real estate. So this is another popular hedge against inflation, but it can also be used on its own as a source of income or just other investment opportunities. Houses can have major capital appreciation, and in times of inflation, it's been shown that real estate, whether it be apartments, houses, land in general, or retail, will hold their value relative to the inflation rate because people will need a place to live at the end of the day, and there are going to be people who have enough money to pay for those items that you now possess if you invest in real estate. I would also say that cars can be a good investment, whether or not they're the most sustainable or the smartest. For example, this is a Bugatti. It costs several $1,000,000, but people are willing to pay that, and so it's like by virtue of people being able and willing to pay for it, it holds its value because it's so rare, and they make so few of these that it has its value. Also, if you invest in old cars and try to fix them up, or investing in cars that you just think will appreciate over time because they're rare, because there will be less of them, that is another example of investing in cars, trying to get that capital appreciation long term. And then finally, general collections. So I named a few of the big ones, but these are other common things for people to invest in, usually not their whole life savings as you might a house or in real estate, but you can invest several thousands or millions of dollars in cards, stamps, shoes, and memorabilia collections because over time these will become more valuable as long as there's a limited amount. So the whole fundamental theory behind cryptocurrency and anything of value is that it's valuable because people want it and everyone cannot have it. So that's what creates this supply and demand situation. So if you have a lot of the supply and there's very much demand, then you're able to get high dollar amounts for these items that you might have paid for 20, 30 years ago when they were more plentiful. Anyway, some of you guys don't like investing in stocks, and here are some alternatives. Do not miss out on the long-term capital appreciation and the hedges that you can have against inflation. So take care and good luck.